Hey everybody, Jim King, King Piers, out here with my amigos, my A-team, guys that work with me every day and have for many, many years. Guys got this down to an art. But what we have here is this existing block foundation wall. We've removed all the loose mortar out of it. These walls, we're going to come back here, fill all the voids. We'll use polyurethane, hydraulic cement, epoxy, and then we'll come in and staple 3/8 inch wire mesh to the front face of these walls. And then from there, use our King Piers recipe of high strength concrete, and we'll coat these walls with that from top to bottom. We'll let that cure overnight and come back the next day, paint the walls white with bare waterproofing paint, white. It'll look like concrete foundation wall from that point. And then we're gonna come in with our King Piers methodology of 4-inch H-beams and properly install these in between the ceiling joists, doing it Macho Man's way, King Piers way. So stay tuned, King Piers. For all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.